everyone, it's Miss Hannah from Stardust, and thanks for joining me for our special Christmas themed classical ballet class today. So we're going to start with a warm-up and then we're going to do some of our bar exercises. So you'll need something to rest your fingertips on. A chair works perfectly as your ballet bar at home. So jump up, let's get warmed up, and I hope you have lots of fun. So we're going to start with a warm-up and some swings and gallops. We're going to rock out and in, and then little gallop to the side. Good. And again, rock out and in. Good. And you can just let those arms float as you swing side to side. Good. Okay, feet in first, and let's go with the music. And gallop. Good. Big swing. Lovely. Don't forget to point your toes on the rocks. Nice. Good. Try and make that plie a bit bigger. Down, up, down. Good. One more. And in the middle, just bounce those knees. Good, well done. So now we're all feeling a little bit warmer. We're going to start with our plies at the bar. So resting your fingertips on your ballet bar or your chairs at home, feet in first position, and we're starting sideways to the bar today. On the introduction, we're going to prepare our arm through first and open to second. So we're going to take a demi-plie, stretch, rise up, and down, and then we're going to do a full plie. So look at your hand through a demi-plie all the way down, don't stop moving, and then all the way up and open. Good. And then the same in second position, but we keep our heels down on our full plie in second. Beautiful. So we're going to take it in first and second position. Ready? Heads up and demi. Stretch. Up. Good. Now show me a demi-plie and then a full. Back to a demi. Good. And second. Demi. Stretch. Up. Beautiful. And down. Let's do it again in first. Shoulders down and slow. Good. Good. Keep those heels flat on the floor. Slowly down. Good. Well done. So get yourselves ready on the second side. Very well done, everybody. We're going to stay on this side and we're going to take our Battement tendus next. So Battement tendu means to stretch, and we're going to stand in third position. So it's your outside foot in front, slide it across to third. Perfect. We'll prepare our arm and we're going to tendu devant and flex. Stand up nice and tall, point and close. Then two tendu out and in, out and in. Same to second. Tendu and flex, Tendu close at the back, and tendu close in front, and tendu closing back. Last time to the back, point and flex. Good, keep those heads up to help you balance. Point and in. And then we finish one last time to the side. Good, turn out those legs and really stretch those toes. Slide them along the floor. Beautiful. Here we go. Two tendu out, in, out. Good, to the side. Point, flex, point, in, out, in. Good, keep the arm in second. To the back, point, flex. Good, and I bet you all know this song. Ready to the side. Point, flex. Good, keep those heads up to help with your balance. And finish. Good job. Let's do it on the other side. Two tendus, out, in. Good, slide that foot along the floor. Second. Nice. Out, in. To the back. Point, flex. Good balance. Two tendu. Second. Get ready to finish. Lovely. Next we're going to dance rond de jambe, which means circling of the leg. So we're going to be drawing a capital D shape on the floor. So we squeeze it through and draw the circle part round with our toes through first position. Lovely. So we're going to dance 2 slow, 3 quick, and then we're going to see if we can take both hands off the bar and have a little balance. That's a bit tricky, so don't worry if we don't get it today, but we'll try together. Prepare to second, to the back. 1, through first, front, in. Good, again, slow. Then 3 a bit quicker, and fresh. And keep those heads up tall. Let's try a little balance. Up. Good, let's do it again. Slow. Through. Good, everyone. Good, try and keep your leg moving. Wow, and 3 quick. Ready for the balance. Good, let's do that on the other side. Good, standing nice and tall. Beautiful, really stretch that leg and stretch those feet. Quicker, round. Good, keep that leg turned out. And lift. And again, slow. Beautiful. Keep those heads up, shoulders down. Quicker. Good. And a little balance. Next, we're going to practice our grand Battement, boys and girls. So, arm to second. We're going to tendu and a lift, and tendu and close. Then swish up for 2 grand Battement. Swish, point, close. Swish, point, close. Wonderful. Then we're going to do the same thing to the side and to the back. So make sure you've got lots of space and you're not going to kick anything at home. Here we go. Good. 2 grand Battement. Lovely. Second. Point. Lift. Don't worry how high it goes, but keep your head up. Derriere to the back. everyone. You can pop your bar to the side because we're going to do some centre work next. Lovely work so far, everyone. Very well done. So we're now in the centre for a port de bras, which is our carriage of the arms. So we're going to do 2 beautiful floats. Out and in. Then the other one, out and in. Coming up, and then we're going to go up to attitude. Beautiful. Open and down. 2 waves again. Out and in and out and in. Other arm up this time. Through first. Up to attitude. Open and down. Beautiful. So we can use our head and eyes to look at those fingers as we do our beautiful floats. So heels together in first, and let's do it with some music. Beautiful. First. Attitude. Open. Lovely. And again. Head. Good. Look at those fingers. Gorgeous. Up. Open. Lovely. And again. Out. Next, we're going to do some jumps to a Christmas song I think you're all going to know. So, feet in first position, hold those arms in bra bar, starting with a demi-plie. We're going to take 4 jumps in first. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good, don't forget to stretch those toes. And then jumping out to second. Second, first, second, first. Lovely. Let's go with music. Again, first, out second, lovely work so far, everybody. Now we're going to put together a little adage or a little dance. So, starting with 1 foot stretched to the corner, beautiful, and you're going to float your back arm up and then your front arm up. Beautiful. We're then going to bend both our knees and transfer through. Beautiful. Stretch that back foot. So this is second arabesque for those of you that know it. Then we're going to rise up on our toes and turn to face the other corner. So turn around. Beautiful. And then we repeat. Float the back arm up and the front arm and transfer through. Good. And on this side, we're going to lift the back foot. Good, and then finish to the front. Beautiful. Should we try that with music? So starting with that foot stretched to your corner. Little wave. Back arm. Next, we're going to float our arms. Float, float. And then we're going to take it with a little balancing step. So rock to the side and rock to the side. Good. And then you're going to do a lovely twirl going this way. So stepping up and spin on your toes and open. Lovely. Then float the arms again. And we're going to step the other way this time. Beautiful. Step and step up and twirl. And then open. Beautiful. Should we try and put it all together from the beginning? So stretch that foot. Here we go. Beautiful. Back arm. beautiful class, everybody. So we've just now got our reverends left to do. So we step to the side, step back and open, and then we repeat the other side. And this is how we say thank you to each other for dancing. So let's do it together with music. And the other side. And give yourselves a clap. Well done, everyone. Oh, thank you so much for joining me, everybody, for that classical festive ballet class. I hope you enjoyed the music and you recognised a few of those Christmas songs I used in class today. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful Christmas, and I hope to dance with you again soon. Bye, everyone.